So I'm out in my workbench, and this is everything that comes with it right here. And this is the body itself. If you look on top, you've got USB output, USB-C input. So I do believe that, to charge it, we probably would plug in there. This thing, I think, is what this screws into, all right? And I think this side here is where the air comes out. And that would go right on there like that, I do believe. Here's the USB to USB-C. All right, it does have this little bag that you can stick it in, so you can do it. It comes with these. So now we can do a basketball, I think we can do a car, and we can do a bike tire, I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping on. But we'll find out, I guess, once we put it all together. And it does come with these caps. This is the booklet I highly recommend reading, and this is the warranty on it. So there you go. And the name of this is, it's Syncwire. And it says Inflate Series, 5-mode setting. It's got a 260 mAh battery, portable design. There's a guide to it right here if you want to look at it. The back of it, it's got the features, and you can scan with a transparency app if you want to put the app on your phone, which I don't know if we need to do that. But yeah, and then look at over here. This baby's down, and look at this one. So we got some tires to fill up, don't we? Oh yeah. And we're gonna try this bad boy and see what we think. So that's the unboxing, and then we'll show you how to use it. All right, so this doesn't come with a block. You're gonna need a block, and we're gonna charge it, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna plug it into this, and then we're gonna plug this USB in here. So the USB goes in here to charge it, okay, you follow me? So we plug that in, and then this here, we need to put on here. It follows me here? So I just gotta see which way it goes. All right, so put that on there. Well, it's gotta go one way or another, right? I'm trying to do it with one hand. Ooh, there we go. Now I just gotta plug it in. So I'm gonna move it over here, and then I'm just gonna plug it in down here. You follow me? All right, so that's plugged in. And if you look, it shows the battery as being totally charged, but we'll give it maybe 15, 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna leave it right there for now. And then we'll keep on reading our pamphlet and see what else we need to know about this. All right, another thing. So I gotta press and hold it. It comes on, it's at 36. All right. All right, so if I press this button here, it changes the pressure unit. All right. All right, so it's showing me like a bicycle up there, right? There's another bicycle. I think that was a motorcycle, and that's a bicycle. And that's a basketball. And that's a person. So there's a car, right? So I'm hitting this and I'm getting car. Next one is like a motorcycle. Next one's a bicycle. Next one's a basketball. Next one's a person. I guess, do you blow people up? I don't know. So let's go through them again. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, person, and flipper back. Bam. All right, so that's our current one. So I'm going to go to bicycle because that's where I want to be, right? And so now we're ready for a bicycle. All right, so to make it go up or down here, I press this. So this I press and it goes down. I press this, it goes up. Yeah, like that. So KRP, I'm not sure what that is, but it's a pressure unit. So to change that, it says press and hold the button to switch the pressure unit. So I would press this to switch this. So I'm going to hold it, and now it's giving me different units. There's PSI. I want PSI. All right. It's got it at 134 PSI. I don't want that, so I want to go down. So I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to go down to 35. Because that's what I put in the bike. You would think it would know that. There's 37. I think 36. Let's put it there. So now I'm on 36. All right. So now we're looking good. Let's see what this thing is. I'm not sure. Okay, so if we're ready to go to start inflation, we just press this. Press it again, stops it. So now we're ready to rock. So now I think all we need to do is figure out which one of these things we're going to use. So we got to open them up and look at them. So now we just got to figure out which one of these bad boys we're going to use. And we just got to, let's pour them out here. We'll look at each one. So this one's kind of weird. I don't know what that would be for. This one here this is definitely for a basketball. And this I think would be, I don't know, for a car, or maybe it's an extra thing. So let's look at this. This is our little thing here, right? And that's where you screw stuff on. I guess the only thing we can do is just give it a try, right? And see how it works. All right, let's turn her on. Okay, so I'm on bike. I'm on bike, and I got 36.5. All right, so this right here, what you're just gonna do is you're gonna come down onto your bike tire, right? And you're just gonna, I'm gonna set this down for a second. And you're just gonna screw this on your bike tire, like that, okay? Now once you got it on there, we gotta turn this on. So I press and hold, and it should come on. And it should be on bike because that's the last thing I did. Now to get this 36 pounds, I just press this. I turned the sound down and sped this up. So once it gets to 36, it should stop. And these take up to 40 pounds, but I'm not gonna go full pressure on it. Yeah, man, it's pretty tight. Couple more. I'm a little nervous. I think it's gonna blow the tire up. That's it. It stops. Bam, done. So now we can just go ahead and get this off of there. And we're good. That worked great. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, that looks good, man. That worked great. I like this thing. Holy cow.